Hi there, everyone. Welcome to episode 610 of the Mike from Maine Show, the place where we do daily interviews with successful online entrepreneurs. This is your host, Mike Thomas, and today on the show we have Rahil Ahmed on, and we're going to be doing a demo of a piece of software that's going to make your keyword research a lot easier, whether you're doing YouTube videos, websites, you're ranking Amazon sites, eBay, all of that is all included in one keyword suite, which you're going to see today, and you're not going to believe the price when you see it launching tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern. Let's get into it. Here's Rahil. We are here today with Rahil Ahmed. Rahil, welcome to the show.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm very happy to have you here today. You're going to be talking about a software that you're releasing with your partners Rahil Ahmed and Ankur Shukla. Before we get into that, tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got involved in internet marketing.
Actually, I am belongs from Pakistan, and I was started my business from Pakistan, but I made a small, you can say that online business on that site, that is online sites making money on online like this. But once I got an email from a guy that was some unknown guy. He's emailed me that he want his software. He want a software to be developed, only the UI, user interface. He want just developed a user interface of the application. So he gave me his number, his Skype ID, everything. So I contacted him and he gave me some tasks. So I started my career from that. And I showed him my work, and he was really, impressed by my work. So he asked me to please join with him and start a business with him. So when after some time I was working on softwares, but soon I saw that he's making money from using my skills, but I can use my own skills for myself. So I decided that I can make my own products, my own ideas, and I can discuss with the guys that are big guys like in internet marketing, and I show them my products. So I decided that I will show them my own ideas, my own software. So I started developing my products. So this is one of my product that I've been working since 6 months. So this product has.
Sorry to interrupt you, but it's interesting. I like having you on the show because you are one of those guys that is normally behind the scenes. You have big marketers, people that a lot of my audience know. I know you've partnered before with people like Joshua Zamora, and you'll go out there. You're the guy who's actually behind the scenes creating the products, doing all the fixes, where the marketers are out there and they're more the face of the product, where you're the actual guy who's doing the work and creating the products.
Yes, this is my motto. Is the main motto is my motto is only this, that I never. Some people are like that. They launch a product, but they just stop. Support. Even my first product that I developed for another guy, the people are contacting me. The owner is someone else, but the people are contacting me because I developed it, and I am still supporting them. I have been in the group. They have even messaging me on the Facebook or on any other sites that we know that you developed this software. Please help me out, this and that. So I have been sporting all the way. My main motto is that I will never give up the sport. Even my software is 10 years old or not.
Good, and I like to hear that. It's an interesting relationship between the marketers and the people, the developers behind it. The software we're going to be talking about today is SEO, an SEO software, a software for doing keyword research. It says here on the sales page, are you still struggling to get SEO rankings for yourself or your clients? Discover thousands of low competition keywords with a simple click of a button. It doesn't matter which niche you're in. This tool will find you keywords with zero competition and a lot of searches. This is exactly what you want. It says step 1, run the software. Step 2, click a button. Step 3, watch in amazement how the software uncovers red hot, profitable keywords for you in a heartbeat. So before we jump into the demo, tell us a little bit about what the software is and how it's going to help our lives.
Actually, there is according to the user's demand. I have been working with many guys, and I have a great feedback about this software because I have been developed some other SEO softwares as well, like keyword research. But there is a huge feedback from the guys that don't know. I mean, they are not technical guys. They don't know how to use even the internet. They just want they want their website to the top of the Google page. So they have mm, uh, given me feedback that they want a software that do everything. I mean, they don't want plugins. They are not technical. They cannot install the plugin on their website because they don't know. They have to hire anybody, or they don't know how to have a Google AdWords account. They don't want to waste their times. They just want a simple solution that have been developed for only for their needs. And I have been keep gathering these feedbacks, and I am coming up with a solution that will give the users the best user friendliness.
I was going to say, ever since the Google keyword tool went away, I've personally actually been struggling with the keyword planner. I think a lot of people are confused about how it works now. You have to log in. You have to figure out how to use it. It's not the same as it used to be. So this is a tool that you've created to make it so that you don't have to go in there. You can just have it one place where you can do all your keyword research.
Yes. You don't bother about the things that what the software is doing. He is just doing inside. You will get the results instantly. I mean, you don't have to waste your time, log in, answer the questions of Google, keep sending the emails in Google AdWords. So this is the issue. So I have removed all these issues, and now the software is just press the button, enter the keyword, you will get the details, exact details that you need.
Let's take a look inside. Go ahead and share your screen.
Okay. Okay, so it's coming.
Yes, we got it.
Okay. So now this is the main interface of the software. Just you have to this will be the icon of the software, like this one. You have to just double click on it, and just it will come. You have to enter your receipt number. I have entered already, so just you have to sign in.
So this is the desktop version. I know you have a desktop version, and you have one that works on the web. I'm using the one on my computer since I'm on a Mac. I use the one that works on the internet.
For Windows user, we have desktop variant and web variant. For Mac, we have only web variant.
Cool.
Okay. So now it's in. We have logged in successfully. So first of all, you have to see that we have plenty of tools clubbed together. We have different kind of tools that are clubbed together, like keyword visualization and research are clubbed into 4 tools. Keyword generation extractions are clubbed into these 6 tools. And Smart Web Analyzer, this is a standalone PDF SEO report generator. So I will explain the main tools that of the software. So let me show you the keyword research tool. That is the most powerful tool of this software. So once you click this, we have a very colorful window here. So you will just have to enter the keyword, like I want to start research on gaming. So I will enter my project name gaming. So I will just press this. You have just entered your keyword, and you just have to just press this. See, it's giving instantly the details. Okay, so now you can see that the keywords are there, but the search volume, CPC, price, competition, average difficulty is not there. Okay, it's empty. So if you because I don't want users to because some people are choosy, they just choose a keyword and want to do analysis. They don't want every keyword to be analyzed. So we have a button here called run analysis. You can just select this, and it will give you that value like this. See, it's giving.
And those are broad searches. Those aren't exact. That's a broad.
Yes. So search volume, CPC, competition, and average difficulty is coming on the demand. You can just press this button, run analysis, and it will give you on instantly. See, we have been
that CPC, is that coming from, where's that data coming from? Is that coming from AdWords, or where's that coming from?
This value is coming, actually we have our own built-in database of this software. We have a huge database of this software having millions of ready-made researched keywords, and this database is keep updating in, I mean, every week we are updating. We have a huge team that is working on that. They are comparing the results of Google AdWords, and because they are removing the time of the people that are spending on Google AdWords, they are using that. They are spending their times for the sake of people. They are updating the database, and you are getting the results. So if maybe sometimes the result may vary from the Google AdWords, but after 1 week because we have one week time span, so we are updating the database. Some keywords, not all, but mostly are always up to date.
Got it.
So we have the simple scenario of this, that just enter the keyword, press start research, just press this button, it will give you the details. Now you can get the top 10 domains as well. That is pretty important in the keyword. You have been you will get the top 10 domains of this keyword, like Amazon. Let's see, I press top 10 and it is giving me the top 10 domains.
Is that the top 10 rankings there? So if someone searches for that keyword in Google, those are the ones that will come up for?
Yes. These are the page ranks of that domain as well. It's calculating the page rank as well. It's giving the URLs of the domain as well.
Got it.
Okay, so it's I mean, also one more thing is that some people are, in Google Keyword Planner, searching is very difficult. We have this option in this tool that we can search the keyword with very pretty awesome built-in search tools. Like you can see that we have plenty of like we have thousands of keywords, and you want to search any keyword starting with even. Like I will enter here and I will select the option starts with. So it is giving me this.
Okay.
It's pretty. So because in Keyword Planner we have very huge list, so we cannot search easily. So in this software we have an option that you can instantly get the exact keyword you want. So now you can start research on that. See, you can search and you can get the result. But these keywords are not available in the Google Keyword Planner as well, and also there, because these keywords are not available. So you can just simply,
those ones you wouldn't even find in the AdWords. Like they're probably not searched enough. Like no one's going to search for EvenTube gaming. It's not a it's not a search. Cool.
Yes, because these keywords are not been searched in Google Keyword Planner as well. So other thing in this feature is that we can have a visual view of this keyword research, like this start visual companion. It is giving you the complete graph of the research that you have been doing. So for example, this graph has 8786 keyword on the top.
Okay, what would you do with this?
For example, you want to visualize that which keyword is the best keyword for me. So you will note down the value 8786. Okay, so now you have to just search in here. It was appeared in Google search 8786. So you can just enter here the value and you will get the keyword.
Okay.
So it's giving you the visualizer that you don't need to, I mean, scroll the values and just check which is the biggest. So you have already the graph that is showing that which keyword is on the top, like this, like 8786, 8005.
And you can get an idea. You can get an idea of if the niche that you're searching in, the values of it. For example, this niche here, it doesn't look like the keywords are very valuable, does it?
Yes. Yeah. This is giving you the graphical idea that you are which keyword is better for your the best in the research keywords.
Cool.
Okay. So this was the keyword research tool in this software, and it is giving you the progress as well, progress bar. Like you have done 9 keywords researched, so it is giving you the progress of the project. Okay. So here seems like that it is some manual work in that you have to just press this and it is giving you the result. But there is another we have added another feature in that. It is related projects. So once you will enter the keyword gaming here, it will give you all the results instantaneously. Like for example, I want to enter 100, I will enter my max result and it will generate report. It will give you all the stats instantaneously. You don't need to do any manual things. See, it is giving you all the stats at once.
I like that one better.
Yeah, it's giving you the that is for choosy people, and this is for the people that want all the keywords to be researched at once.
Okay.
So it is giving you all the stats at once. It's have plenty of keywords. You can even enter the count of the result, how much counts you want to get. I have entered 100, so it is giving me the 100 results.
And that difficulty there, is that the difficulty to rank for that keyword?
Yes, it's difficult for Google to rank it. So if a keyword has low, it means that it will be difficult for Google.
It says there, video games keyword low difficulty. I would think that ranking for video games would be...
No, video game low means it is the opposite thing. You can say that if it has low, it means that it can be ranked higher. It's the opposite thing. If anything that has high, it means that it's difficult for Google to find it. Like this, ionic keyword, it has high, so it's Google. For Google, it will difficult to find it.
Would be, when you say difficult to find it, do you mean it would be difficult to like if I was going to try to rank for Logitech keyboard?
Keyboard.
Is that high saying that it would be easy for me to rank for? Or?
No, it means that its difficulty is high for Google. Difficulty means for Google to find it. It's high. I mean, high means that it's very difficult to Google to find it, rank it. High means low. Low means that it is easy.
So according to that, it says video games is low.
As low. Yeah, it is easy. It means for Google it's low. It can be Google can rank it easily.
Okay. I mean, I would think that would be a hard keyword to rank for.
Yes. So that's why always use those keywords that have been low difficulty, average difficulty. So this is the tool that is giving the instant all the details. So we have both the tools combined together, keyword research and related projects. So similarly, we have favorite keywords. You can mark your keywords as favorite. There is a favorite button in this tool that you can press that and it will come here, and you don't need to do research again and again. Once you have done the research, you just mark it as favorite. It will always coming here. So you can just review your keywords, at which keywords you have marked as bookmark. You can say that bookmark or favorite keywords. Okay. So we have another tool that is Google search results analysis. This is for those guys that want a file that they directly upload on Google AdWords. I mean, they have an account for Google AdWords and they want to upload the file directly, the research results. They want directly the file in a file. They don't want to view the results at once. So you just enter the keyword gaming. You will enter the word hard. So now I will submit this. Okay, so it's asking me for the save. So I will save on the desktop, so it will show me the results. So we have the file here.
So it downloads it to your computer.
Yeah. It's giving you the Excel file that you need. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, the stats that you need. For example, you have entered gaming hard. So you have broad value, exact value, all in title value, all in URL value, all in anchor value. The main stats any guy wants to know about a keyword. So it's giving a file that you can have, because the other tools that I have showed already, they are giving the view on the fly. But this is if you want to just directly download the file and upload on the Google AdWords or your ads, you can have that.
I think most people are going to use the first two ones there with the keywords, research, and the related projects.
Yes, because there are some users that don't want to waste their time even on the view. They want that we just click and we have all the stats in a file. So that this feature is for that, guys.
Cool, okay.
So we have another awesome tool. This is AdWord keywords. I mean, we have a tool that generates random keywords on the base of the keywords. For example, I have entered gaming hard keyboard, like I enter keyboard. Okay, so now I will press generate keyword. So it is giving me the suggestions, all the possible suggestions you can have on these 3 keywords.
For using
It is
those
giving,
ones
right?
together.
Yeah. If you have up to 10 groups, you can have 10 groups, you can have 5 groups, you can have long tail keywords. So it is giving you the best combination of the keywords. So it can be useful for the people that want to have maximum combination of the keywords for the AdWords. Okay, so this tool is for AdWords keyword generator. So we have some other tools that are just doing the direct linking to the APIs like Amazon. We have a tool that is direct linking to Amazon.com. So we have some people want to do research on the keywords that related to Amazon. They are keep sitting on the Amazon.com all the day and doing the research, scrapping the words, finding the words, copying the words, and doing research on AdWords. We have a tool here that directly you have to just enter the word, like I have entered here. So I will get, like I go here and I go in here beauty, so I will get details. So it will get all the details from AdWords, not from AdWords, sorry, from the Amazon.com. So we have all the details of that keyword you have entered. It is giving you the image, the URL, because many people are just using these URLs on their websites. They are just linking this URL on their website. They want to export these. They want to use all the these URLs in their website. So it's giving the URL of that keyword as well.
Cool. Okay.
So this is also the details of the title, the keyword label, the price of the keyword, of the products that are coming.
Yeah,
so
if you're doing
about
Amazon sites, you might need to do research for Amazon keywords.
Yeah.
You can try to rank for them in Google and make money from the Amazon affiliate program.
Yes, right. There is another built-in tool for that, is for multi-country. For example, one user asked me that he is located in France and he want to do the research on the France. So I just developed this tool for those guys that are not US market. I mean, they are not US located. So for France, you can enter. So it will get the details from France. So this is you can say that multi-regional tool for those guys. That is so it's giving the results for here from France region, like Amazon.fr.
Nice.
Okay, so it's similarly we have another tool built in for the same Amazon, that is the suggestion tool. You can have a suggestion tool as well, that if you want a suggestion from Amazon.com. So I will enter my keyword here and I will get selected all department and I will go. So it will give instantly all the keywords that you can have here, extensions.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty cool. I like that feature.
Yeah. So we can you can select multiple regions, like baby. You can have these options. Okay, so it's pretty fast and using the Amazon official API. So after that we have an eBay keywords. It's similar like Amazon, like you are targeting to Amazon. Here you are targeting eBay.com. So you can have a suggestion tool as well from eBay. For example, I want a gaming, so I will enter here and it will give me the suggestion tool for ebay.com. Cool. And also from the similarly like Amazon. So we have a tool for Amazon.com. We have tool for eBay. We have tool for YouTube. We have a very cool tool, that is YouTube statistics tool. You have to just enter the keyword here. Like I want to any keyword like love. I want to search the keyword on Google, on YouTube. So I just selected and I selected the max result 50.
So this actually searches specifically inside of YouTube.
Yeah, it's using the Google API and it's getting the details from. I just forgot to select the option of that. This one. You have to select this.
Now it looks like there's an option to log in there as well. Would you want to log in or not?
No need for login. This is for those people that want to get to download their URLs of their channels. For example, if I have thousands of videos in my channel and I want to export all the URLs of my channel, so you just enter your YouTube username and password and you will log in your YouTube account and you will get all your URLs. This is for those people. But for these tools, you don't need to even select anything. You just enter the keyword select these options, show video details and show channel details. So it will give you all the details, even instantly, that you need for that. So it will be getting the video. It's taking some time. Okay, so it's here. So you can see that it's a pretty awesome tool that's giving you the complete stats of your YouTube keyword, like views, likes, dislikes, ratings, favorites, comments, duration, channel views, everything you need for about this keyword. It's giving you the complete set of details.
I've seen other software that gives us these things, but what's sticking out for me is that there's so many different tools all inside of one tool. I think that's the advantage that you guys have here, is that this has, like, for some people, Amazon keywords might not be interesting. Maybe eBay keywords might not be interesting, but YouTube might be. Or maybe YouTube might not be interesting for some people, but AdWords is going to be, like, very useful for them. I think people are going to be picking and choosing what's useful and what isn't.
And also it can give idea to that people that if he's using YouTube, and he can see that tool that eBay is also there, so he can start working on eBay as well. So he can start working on Amazon as well, because it will also be helpful for making money online. So if he is working only on YouTube, so he can get the benefit of Amazon keywords as well, eBay keywords as well.
Show me the unlimited long tail keywords.
Yeah. This is a tool that you have for. So it's a quite awesome tool that you have to just enter a keyword about. For example, I want to enter a gaming keyword. So once you will start searching, it will keep generating the random keywords. You can see that it's generating the long tail keywords that you can have on Google. So it's a pretty awesome. We have used a very specific kind of algorithm at the back of this, and it's generating the maximum long tail keywords for the entered keyword. So you can just have all the unlimited keywords. You can just like stop searching once it's stopped.
And it's funny, if you're going into a niche and you're trying to get free traffic, if you try to rank for the keyword gaming, it's going to be very, very difficult to rank for it.
Yes,
but if you try if you're in that niche and you're trying to get free traffic, if you try to go for the keywords that are longer, sure, there's going to be less people searching for it. But but the thing is, if people are searching for something like, there's one there, it says gaming desktop under 500. Someone that's searching for that specific term, and you give them the result of a gaming laptop that's under 500, they're going to be much more likely to have buyer intent and to be purchasing through that. Like I don't care about having free traffic. I want traffic that's going to make me money.
Yeah, right,
so
right.
This is if you want to get free traffic from SEO, the easiest way of doing it without having to build a ton of backlinks and do build a lot of content is by going for these longer tail keywords.
Right. So you can simply even export. If you don't stop that, it will keep doing. Like you have just seen that this 737 keywords it has generated.
Cool.
So you can export the keywords as well.
Awesome.
Okay. So similarly, we have a LSC2, long latent semantic indexing keywords. So we can enter, like I am entering gaming here. So it will also generate the LSA keyword that we can have. So it's giving me all the list of the LSA keywords for this keyword. So you can simply
what that means for people that might not know, LSI keywords are the keywords that in general, if Google is looking at a page and it's about gaming, and Google says, okay, in general, these are the keywords that are going to be incorporated on a page that is about gaming, because with the way language works and the way semantics works and language works, it's that sometimes one word can mean multiple things. Like gaming could mean video games. It could be people could be talking about, I don't know, like picking up girls or something, like the game. The game. I don't know. It could mean, maybe not a perfect example, but there's there's words that can have different meanings in different contexts. So that's what that does.
Okay, so this is for the tool for LSA keyword research, and there is another last tool for that I will wrap up with. This is Smart Web Analyzer. This is a standalone tool for SEO report, complete SEO report. When you still select this, it will open a tool for you that you will have to enter the domain of your web page. For example, I have a site called intraseo.com. Okay, so I just entered this, and I want to check my score of my web page.
Hey, do my website, mikefrommaine.com.
Can I
MIKE,
yeah,
FROM MAINE
MAINE
.com.
Mike from MAINE.com.
Mike from Maine.com. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So I will just enter that URL and I will start analyzing. So it will go over the web of your website and it will get the score that you have about your URL. So it will analyze the data, then it will coming up. So it will take some time.
Maybe while that's working, show us the rest of the stuff. That might take a couple minutes.
Okay, it's coming. It's come.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, it's coming. Okay, so it's your score for SEO is 48. So it's giving you the score of 48.
Is that good or bad?
Yeah, it's good. It's quite good. Mostly people are getting score less than 30 or 40 because you have your likes are quite good. You can see that Alexa ranking and your Google page rank is quite good. Second page you have got. So it's giving you the good details. It's giving you all the details of even the keywords that are even used in the site. So it's giving you the full detail about services, Google block links, Google index pages, backlinks, and the domain IP, country, and the details that you need to have a report. It is giving you the report that you want to give your client. For example, I have a client that want me to do SEO for him. So I will have his website. I will do analysis using my tool, and I will give him the score that your website has these issues. We have to fix that. We will fix that and optimize that website. So we will generate a PDF report and send to my clients so that they can think about it, that their website is still not good enough so that they can be ranked on the top site. So it's quite this tool has an option that you can have white label on that. You can have your own company logo you can add in this tool. So you can just generate that PDF report and send to your clients. So it's a standalone tool. So we have plenty of other tools like Smart Domain Research. We have Domain Checker. These are all about domains. If you want to book a domain from GoDaddy.com or any other thing, so you can just use that tools to check the health of the domains or the availability of the domains, and also you can select the TLDs of you want to book a website like kspro.com, or I want like this. So I will get top domains. So it will give me the domains list that are available. So I can select that, and it's giving me the health of that the domain as well. So it's you can directly buy. It's giving you the buy now option. It will go to the GoDaddy.com because we are using the GoDaddy API in that. So it's getting the data. So this is a domain tools for domain checking. You have a tools for domain checkings. So you can enter your domain here and it will give you the details. So it's a pretty the combination of different tools that we are clubbed together, and in future we are keep updating this software. We will having some great feedbacks from people. We will noting down, and we will add new tools in that. It will be a complete suite of the software.
A suite of software.
Yeah. You can say suite. It's a suite of a software that will keep updating. We will keep updating and launching it in the future with 2.0, with 3.0, because our main focus is to make a software that is on the demand of the people that are using it.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, it has a lot of stuff in there, and like I said before, I think there's going to be stuff, I can see people getting this and maybe using only a couple of the tools, but I think people pick and choose which ones are good for them. I like the fact that it has the options there for all the different things, but maybe not everything. Every person won't use all the tools all the time. Okay, so this is the software that people are going to see on the sales page. Is there one option for it? Is there like a light license and a pro license? How's that going to work?
Yeah, for pro license, it's for 3 pieces. For 3 pieces. Sorry,
okay.
For 3 pieces. For example, if you purchase pro license, you can install the software on 3 pieces maximum. On the 4th piece, it will not work. Okay, so for unlimited, you will have to get the platinum version. For if you want to install on as many as machines you want, so you will have to take the full version of that software. So we have a limitation on the licensing. We have our own license system that is handling the software. Any license that you will enter, it will automatically be handled, verified on our side, on our web, on our database server, and it will verify that whether which license has been entered. So
there's one license, and then there's an unlimited license?
Yeah. Yes, there is one license, there are 3 PC license, and there are unlimited license.
Okay, so that's the option that they have on the sales page. What about one-time offers?
One-time offers means that if you are taking that one-time offer, you will get all the features in one. In one price, with the lowest price. So if you want to get, like you can say that in early bird, if you have an early bird, so we can give in very lowest price, like from $17, starting from $17, and we will giving all the features.
Well, I know that there's the Keyword Studio Pro, and then there's the Keyword Studio Platinum. What's the difference between those? I don't get that.
Keyword Studio Pro, there are some tools that are missing. In these two, I am showing you the version that the license that I have entered to log in is having all the features. I am showing you these all the features.
So these are okay. Yeah, show me the ones that aren't included unless you buy the one-time offer. I want to make sure we're clear on that.
Actually, I need to activate some of these. We are just activating that. Once I will activate, when you will enter that keyword with the license, then some of the tools will not be available. They will be hidden.
Which ones?
So button like for example, we have Smart Web Analyzer is only available in the Platinum. It's not available in so because it's a standalone tool. So it will only available in the Platinum variant or the white label.
Anything else that's only available in the Platinum version, like
in the Platinum variant, we will have some LSA keyword tool as well, some extra features. But this we are just deciding that which tools should be available in Platinum. But for mostly, Platinum is the full, you can say, that enterprise solution. It will have all the available things.
Okay, so everyone watching, I just want to make sure that you know that when you go to the sales page, just double check and see. You've seen all the different tools in there. Some of these might be missing from that first one. So if you want to get all of it, you might need to upgrade to the one-time offer. Just make sure. Just want to make sure everyone who's watching takes a look and is educated as far as that goes. I don't want them to get it and then go, oh, well, I thought it was going to include this. Just be prepared that you might be offered some other ones for the one-time offer there. I know there's also another one-time offer after. What's that one?
There is another one-time offer is that you can install this machine. You will have both access. You will have a desktop version, unlimited version, and the web version with unlimited licenses. You can install on any unlimited licenses. So it's like you can say that you have purchased the source code of the software. Like this is the biggest offer that we are giving.
And you can white label all your reports. You can
white label. You can even
So they
You
can
can
have
give
your
your,
branding on it and stuff.
yeah, you can give your brand name to the software. You generate the reports from your logos like that. So it's like you have purchased the software with source code.
Cool, cool. As far as making money with this goes, Rahil, what do you, how do you see people using this software to make money in their business?
Because this software is not directly connected to the online money making. It is optimizing your website, that so that you can grow your business. It is indirectly making your business strong. It's making your websites Google, on the Google first page. If you using the keywords tools for your websites, and you are using the best keywords that Google loves, that you then this will definitely, this always be helpful, because a lot of people are using keywords tools because they know that it always works. So they are still struggling. They are still finding some tools that do more better research. So we are coming up with a solution that is giving the best possible tools that can, I mean, help them to make their website the best optimized for SEO.
A lot of times I've
So
seen people with their ranking for keywords, and they, if they just kind of put in some different keywords, they could rank for other words that are getting more traffic. They don't know what gets traffic, what people are searching for, what people aren't searching for. You need to have some sort of a keyword research tool to be able to know which ones are ranking for. Well, after a while, you kind of get a feel for it, which ones are being searched for and which aren't. But you'd be surprised sometimes at some of the keywords. They get a lot of searches that you wouldn't even expect it from.
yeah, I have seen a lot of people that have too many softwares installed on their machines. Like for LSI, they have another two. For Unlimited, they have another two, but not even they don't know how to use. So for that people, they always telling me that why we have plenty of softwares. Like LSI can be a standalone software as well, but it's a small domain. You can club them together so that people can have one software, so that they don't be confused or anything. So because nowadays people are like they are confused. I have been getting too much response from the people that we are having too much tools and we don't know which tool we use, so how it will help us out. So I showed them the UI, the features, the demo, and they are really impressed. That they are saying that that's, yes, this software, if this software is the one software that we need, then this is the best they can have.
Rahil,
So,
thank you so much for coming on the show today and doing a demo. Is there anything else, anything that we missed, anything you wanted to mention before we finish up?
no, we have wrapped it up. We have already wrapped it up. We have taken. I came up with all the tools that we are coming up. It's done
Perfect.
already.
Rahil, again, thank you so much, and best of luck with your launch.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I hope you enjoyed the interview today with Rahil. If you are interested in picking up Keyword Suite Pro, you're going to want to come back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time to get the lowest price. There is going to be an early bird discount from 9, I believe, to noon, but you want to get there earlier rather than later, so you make sure you lock in your lower price. Plus, you're going to see a bunch of bonuses below. Make sure you send over your PayPal receipt to mike@mikefrommaine.com, and I'll make sure you get all of your bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.